What if I told you there's a cholesterol treatment that you only need twice a year, but most people are still stuck taking pills every single day? And here's the real question. Is this new option actually better than statins or just newer? Because if you've ever had side effects like muscle pain, or you're just tired of taking another daily medication, this can completely change how you think about cholesterol treatment. Today we're breaking down Leqvio versus statins, what works, what doesn't, and how to determine which one is right for you. Before we compare anything, you need to understand this. Statins don't just lower cholesterol. They change how your liver works at a fundamental level. Statins, like atorvastatin and rosuvastatin, work by blocking an enzyme in your liver called HMG-CoA reductase. What does this actually mean? Well, your liver makes less cholesterol and pulls more LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, out of your bloodstream. And here's the key point. Statins are proven. They've been around for decades, and we know they reduce heart attacks, strokes, and death. But they're not perfect. Let's be honest. Statins work, but a lot of people quietly struggle with them. Some people experience muscle aches or weakness, fatigue, brain fog, and elevated liver enzymes. And we know that even if side effects are mild, they often lead to people stopping the medication altogether. And that's dangerous because untreated high LDL cholesterol dramatically increases your risk of heart disease. So this is where new therapies like Leqvio come in. What if instead of taking a pill every day, you could get 2 injections a year and lower your cholesterol just as effectively? That's where Leqvio comes in. This medication works completely differently than statins. Instead of blocking cholesterol production, it silences a gene in your liver called PCSK9. And here's why that matters. PCSK9 normally destroys LDL receptors, the things that clear bad cholesterol from your blood. Leqvio basically says, stop destroying those receptors and let them keep removing cholesterol. The result? LDL drops significantly, often by 50% or more. And the dosing is an initial injection, another injection 3 months later, and then every 6 months. That's it. So, which one actually wins? The daily pill or the twice-a-year injection? First, let's talk about effectiveness. Statins reduce LDL by about 30 to 60% depending on dose. Leqvio causes about a 50% reduction consistently. This is pretty comparable. What about convenience? Well, statins are a daily pill, and like we said, Leqvio is 2 injections per year. Leqvio wins here, no question, unless you are someone who doesn't tolerate injections. The side effects, because all drugs have them. Statins cause muscle pain, fatigue, and liver enzyme issues. Leqvio is generally well tolerated. The most common side effect is injection site reactions. But it can also cause joint pain, bronchitis, or allergic reactions in some patients. There is a big advantage for Leqvio in patients who can't tolerate statins, of course. Now let's talk about long-term data. Statins have decades of outcome data that show heart attack and stroke reduction. Because Leqvio is new, we're still building long-term outcome data. Statins have the edge here. And finally, cost. Statins are cheap, but Leqvio is expensive, and it really depends on your insurance. This is a major deciding factor for a lot of people. Here's a mistake I see people make. They assume newer automatically means better. And that's not always true. Leqvio is definitely not for everyone. It's typically used for patients with very high LDL despite statins, people who can't tolerate statins, those with established cardiovascular disease, and genetic cholesterol conditions like familial hypercholesterolemia. And in many cases, Leqvio is added on top of statins, not used instead of them. Here's the truth. No medication, not statins and not Leqvio, replace a healthy lifestyle. If you're not addressing diet, exercise, weight, and inflammation, you're missing the foundation. These medications are tools, not magic fixes. So, if you're sitting there wondering which one is right for me, here's my honest answer. Statins are still the first-line, proven, affordable option. Leqvio is an incredible alternative for the right patient. And honestly, this is where personalized medicine comes in. Because the best treatment is the one you can tolerate, you'll actually stick with, and that keeps your heart protected long term. If you found this helpful, I break down medications like this all the time. What works, what doesn't, and what most people aren't told. Be sure to check out the description section of this video. I've got resources there to help you take control of your health naturally and safely. And if you've ever struggled with statins or are considering alternatives like Leqvio, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your experience. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy, be healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.